Namrata, hi. Hi, Auntie. Please come in. I need one help from you. I want to, in English, introduce myself. Will you help me? Sure, Auntie. Please sit down. Okay, I'll sit. Okay, I start. Okay, I will start. Myself, Aunty Green. Not myself, Aunty Green. It is I am Aunty Green, or my name is Aunty Green. I am a graduate in BA with English honors. When you say graduate, you don't have to say graduate in BA because graduate means that you have a bachelor's degree either in arts, science, or commerce. So you can simply say, I'm a graduate with English honors. I stay with my cousin brother. Hmm, Not with cousin brother. I stay with my cousin or I live with my cousin. I have a big brother and a small sister. Uh, Not big brother and small brother, Auntie. I have a elder brother and a younger sister. When I was small, I wanted to become a lawyer. Again, not when I was small, but when I was young, I wanted to become a lawyer. Or you can also say, when I was a child, I wanted to become a lawyer. I stay in Delhi, but I belongs to Darjeeling. You know what, Auntie? You should say, I was born and brought up in Darjeeling, but I currently live in Delhi. I studied till my graduation in Darjeeling, then comes to Delhi. You can say I completed my graduation from Darjeeling before I moved to Delhi. I worked as a human resource manager last, and now I become educator. You know what, Auntie? You should say something like this. I was a human resource manager before I changed my career and became an educator. My hobby is to do cooking. Auntie, you don't do cooking as a hobby. Your hobby is cooking, or you like to cook in your leisure time, or you like to cook in your free time. I likes to travel to foreign countries in the future. It is not I likes to travel, but because you're talking about the future, Auntie, you will say I would like to travel abroad in the near future. Do you know, Auntie, you can also learn social English language skill for absolutely free from Allison. I will share the details with you. And for our viewers, I will leave the link in the description below. To keep learning more and improving your English, watch this video. To get notified every time I post a new video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, see you.